Hello, friends from YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your charging port on your iPhone or any device. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage you cause to your devices. These are videos for education purpose only. Okay, what happened is that I don't know, for some reason my phone doesn't charge anymore. You see, not charging. So let me show you. Okay, I don't think it's the charger port that is damaged. I think it's dirty. So let me show you. I'm gonna use alcohol, pure alcohol, not mixed with water. I'm gonna spray it. Okay, I'm gonna use one of these. It's new, okay, so it's not used. So I'm gonna cut it here. I'm gonna clean it inside. I think it's only dirty because I haven't cleaned this port for many years. So see how dirty it is. Let me show you. Look. Also blow it with if you have like a Sprite blower or dust blower. I just did it with my mouth. Let me see. Hope it's working. Okay. Okay, you see? See, right now it's charging. I don't know. I want to show you, but okay, now it's charging. Okay, it's charging. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, check my other videos. It doesn't mean this is the case. If you clean it really good, the port, the charging port, and then it doesn't fix it. So I think you need to replace the charging port, the whole thing. You need to take it to an specialist, and he will do it for you. If he doesn't fix the problem. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you like it, and please give me like, subscribe. Thank you.